Are you getting less rewards than your friends on Satoshi Core mining app? Well, that's because you're mining at a low rate and you're not even getting any coins from the core team. So guys, today I'm about to teach you 3 methods how you can earn more coins on Satoshi app. Alright? To earn more coins on Satoshi Core Airdrop mining app. Okay? So there are 2 coins that you can earn on Satoshi Core. If you go to the wallet, you'll see that we have 2 coins. First one is Core. This is second Core Airdrop, and the other one is OKX coin. Okay, these are the 2 coins we are going to mine. So I'm going to teach you how you can earn these coins once you start mining. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is to earn more hashes, and to earn more hashes, you are going to do that through sharing your link. Okay, if you click on this bar that says increase income, you will see that there is an URL or a referral link. Share this with your friends and family so that they can join to this app, and you will earn more coins from that. So if you refer someone to this app, it means that they will join your team, and once they join your team, you will be able to earn some rewards from them, and those rewards will be in form of core. This core has been brought to me through some referrals and link. Okay, and the second way of earning is that once you have those referrals, you're going to participate in BTC in core giveaway. You have to click on core giveaway, and here, for every referral that you have or a recruit you have, you get 100 votes for every recruit. So with those 100 votes, you are going to divide them, either put 20 here, 20, then 60 here, or 30, 30, and 40 here. Okay, so when you divide those votes into these 3 PO, it means that you have voted. And once you vote, it means you wait until the other day around quarter past 2, so that you know if you have been lucky, because this is a lucky draw, and those that have been lucky, they earn some coins. Okay, I've earned a couple of them, as you can see. I've earned around $1.10, and I've even earned like 1 cent, because the lowest reward is 1 cent and the highest is $180. Okay, so that only happens when you have referrals. Okay, and once you have more referrals, it means you gain more hashes. As you can see, my hash is around 1.12 million. Those are my hashes. I've earned them by just referring people, and with those hashes come a higher mining. Okay, the initial mining rate is around 0.01, but you can see I'm mining at 0.1. And even if you check other YouTubers or other influencers that are showing you their portfolio on YouTube, you see that their mining rate could be maybe over 1x per round, which means that they have more hashes. Okay, so to get more hashes, you have to refer more people, then you receive those hashes. Another way of getting hashes is by exchanging cards and gift. Okay, so with gift cards, all you have to do is to copy one of these. As you see on the screen, just copy these letters here. Once you copy them, you can either copy this one or this one. Just try them any. You can try any here. Pause this video and copy at least one. Mostly, for example, for those that have just joined this app. So once you copy it, you come to this section that says refresh. For newcomers, at this section, you'll find that it will tell you use gift card. Click on that button that says use gift card and paste one of these gift cards here. Once you paste them, that means you earn 30k hash. That means your mining will increase. The last way of earning more hashes is through hash cards. Okay, once you click on this hash card, you can see I have only one hash card to participate in. All you have to do is to click on join, and I'll share my hash card in the comment section below. Copy that one and paste it here. Okay, so just click on join. Okay, I will initiate a hash card. Okay, I'll put the hash card I'll put the hash card in the comment section below. So you have to copy this one, these words here, copy them and paste them on the join button. And once you do that, you earn around 3.5 hashes. With these hashes, that means if you get these hashes, you'll be mining more. You'll be mining at a higher rate. Okay, the last way of earning hashes is by clicking on the project. Once you go to the project, you click on the second project, test coin here. When you click on test coin here, you find that there is a chance of receiving 50 hashes. Okay, by just clicking here and claiming them, you can claim 50 hashes every day. So get all those hashes because they will help you to mine at a higher rate. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll post another video explaining more about this app. I'm just here to teach new beginners how they can get around with this app and mine more coins. You know what it is, guys. Alright, bye. See you next time, guys.